Meaning of glazier.
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 Glazier. A glazier is a professional who specializes in the installation and repair of glass products, such as windows, doors, and mirrors. They typically work with a variety of materials, including tempered, laminated, and insulated glass. Glaziers may work on residential or commercial buildings, and they must have a keen eye for detail to ensure that their installations are properly aligned and sealed. In addition to installation and repair work, glaziers may also be involved in designing custom glass fixtures and advising clients on the best glass options for their needs.